You can never have too many clamps, but what are you supposed to do with all those clamps once you have them in your shop? You need a system that makes your clamps accessible and organized in a tight space, leaving room for all your other tools. The clamp racket system takes a modular approach to organizing your clamps. The system starts with the backer plate, available in 4 sizes, 6, 16, 24, and 32 inch, each attached directly to studs, and are designed to share lag bolts that fit flush when you butt them end to end. Then 2 sizes of arms bolt to the backer plates at a wide variety of spacings. Just find the spacing that most closely matches your bar size. Pick the arm size based on clamp weight and put it all together. Here you see 43 clamps stored on 3 pairs of large arms and 2 pairs of small arms on just 16 inches of wall space. So get organized with an accessible clamp storage solution from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.